Happy Tuesday, everyone. So we have a super early Target ad preview for you guys. So this is the deal starting the 10th. So we have a really early Target ad preview. So I have some printable coupons linked for you guys. So you definitely want to print for these deals. So yeah, let's just hop into it. Guys, so here is the Target ad for the deal starting February 10th through the 16th. And this Target ad preview is brought to you by Free Stuff Finder. I went directly to her site and this is how I got a hold of it. So there's going to be some Valentine's Day deals for you all to take advantage of. And I'm going to link a printable $1 coupon for you guys for the Lint Truffles. You can get the mini bags for free when you print that coupon. So make sure you print that coupon. Again, I'll have it linked below. And get some free chocolate. So definitely print it before it goes away. So you're going to see a lot of ideas for Valentine's Day for him, her, the kiddos. 20% off of Disney toys. Oh, this is cute, like a little kid's laptop and a little kid's camera. And then there's going to be a board game deal. So it's all games, movies, books, and select video games. So buy 2 and get 1 free. Now this will apply on the $5 games, the $4 games. This will also apply for the memory games. So that always makes for a really good deal. Let's see, more toys. These room 6 cubes, you save $5. It's a good deal. $3 mugs. These are great mugs too. They're usually pretty big. Air fryer, $54.99. That's a good deal too. I have an air fryer. I love it. Okay. Looks like we have some furniture deals, so 9 days of home deals, plus an extra 15% off through President's Day. President's Day, there's going to be tons of deals all over. So let's see, 15% off of indoor and outdoor furniture and rugs, and this is going to be valid the 10th through the 18th. And it looks like, I don't know if this coupon is an additional to the sale prices, but there are some rugs that are already on sale. So I don't know if this coupon will apply to things already on sale. Oh, this is a great one. Save $10 when you spend $40 on apparel and accessories. This is great, you guys, and it's not a gift card promo. It's just a save $10. I love when it's a straight coupon off and not a gift card promo. And this is on men, women's, and kids. It does exclude baby. That's what it looks like. So yeah, that's a great deal. I will definitely be going and picking up some clothes. Now the Ring Video Doorbell 2, it's priced for $169.99. I'm going to leave a link below for you guys on how you can earn this for free. So I will link that below and you can learn all about. So I'm actually going to post a link for the Ring Doorbell app. They have a deal where when you share your promo code with others, you earn a free $10. So if you get 9 people to sign up under your account with your code, then you can get this for free. So I'm going to leave that linked below if you guys have been on the market for the Ring Doorbell. I'm going to have that linked below. I posted a video a few months ago on that. So yeah, definitely get yours for free. Oh, I want to see this movie so bad. Bohemian Rhapsody. I never see movies in the movie theater. Let me know if you guys have seen this movie because it's definitely on a top movie list for me. 20% off of Soap and Glory. Oh, cool. They're bringing the Honest Beauty line to Target. Okay, so free $5 gift card when you buy 3 Tampax, Ube Kotex, Always Playtex. Okay, so we still have dollar off 1 coupons for the Tampax and the Always. So you can go ahead and stack those coupons here with the gift card promo. So that'll make a really good deal. And $15 gift card when you spend $75 or more on diapers and wipes. You can do this on the Up and Up brand. You can do it on Pampers, Huggies, whatever you want to do. But Up and Up is always the route to go if you are not picky in the diapers, because you're going to get more diapers for your money. So I always suggest you go with the Up and Up brand. Let's see. $10 Target gift card when you buy 3 Swiffer, Tide, Gain, Downy, Bounce, everything that you see here. You're going to get a $10 Target gift card. I like when they offer a $10 when you buy 3 versus the $5 gift cards. So if you need any household items, this could be a good deal for you. What else? Buy 3, get 1 free for dog treats. And there's a printable coupon for the Blue Buffalo. I'll have that linked for you guys so you can go ahead and print it. You definitely want to print these coupons because you never know when they are going to go away. Oatmeal Squares cereal. I think we still have that dollar off 2 coupon that would be valid here. Archer Farm coffee, $4.99. That's a great price. There's going to be a 5% cartwheel, or there should be a 5% cartwheel for that. Market Pantry cheese, 5 for $10. That's great. It makes them about $2 each, a little bit less with the 5% cartwheel. So that's a good deal. If you still have those Pop Secret coupons, the 2 for $6 microwave popcorn would be a good one. Lots of chocolate and food deals. And then of course, February 15th, that's when you're going to see the Valentine's Day clearance. So definitely mark your calendars for that one. So this is the ad preview for Target. So there are some great deals, you guys. And again, I'll have those links to those printable coupons for you guys so you can print them out. And thank you again, Tina from Free Stuff Finder, for this Target ad preview. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you guys all very soon for another video. Bye.